Hello and welcome to our video on utilizing ClickFunnels email marketing tools to build an email list and promote affiliate products or your own products or services to the subscribers. In this video, we will be discussing the step-by-step process of building an email list using ClickFunnels, and how to effectively promote affiliate products or your own products or services to your subscribers. First, let's discuss the importance of building an email list. Link in the description box below to get a free ClickFunnels account. An email list is a collection of email addresses that you have collected from your website visitors, customers, or other sources. Having an email list is crucial for any online business because it allows you to communicate directly with your audience, build trust, and increase sales. With an email list, you can send targeted and personalized messages, which can result in higher conversion rates. Now, let's talk about how to build an email list using ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a powerful marketing tool that allows you to create high-converting landing pages, opt-in forms, and email campaigns. It's an all-in-one platform that makes it easy to build and manage an email list. The first step in building an email list using ClickFunnels is to create a landing page. A landing page is a web page that is designed to capture email addresses from visitors. It should have a clear headline, a strong call to action, and an opt-in form. The opt-in form should have fields for the visitor's name and email address. Once you have created a landing page, the next step is to create an opt-in form. An opt-in form is a form that visitors fill out to subscribe to your email list. The opt-in form should be simple and easy to fill out. It should also have a clear call to action, such as subscribe now or sign up. Once you have created a landing page and an opt-in form, the next step is to promote your landing page. You can promote your landing page using various methods such as social media, paid advertising, or search engine optimization. The key is to drive as much traffic as possible to your landing page so that you can collect as many email addresses as possible. Once you have a list of email addresses, the next step is to start sending emails to your subscribers. The key to successful email marketing is to send targeted and personalized messages. With ClickFunnels, you can create email campaigns that are tailored to specific segments of your email list. For example, you can create a campaign for new subscribers, a campaign for customers who have purchased from you, and a campaign for those who have abandoned their shopping carts. Now, let's talk about how to promote affiliate products or your own products or services to your email list. The key to promoting affiliate products or your own products or services is to be strategic. You should only promote products or services that are relevant to your audience. For example, if you have a health and wellness email list, you should only promote health and wellness products. When promoting affiliate products or your own products or services, it's important to be honest and transparent. You should never promote a product or service that you don't believe in. Instead, you should only promote products or services that you have used and can vouch for. In summary, building an email list using ClickFunnels is a powerful way to increase sales and build trust with your audience. By creating high-converting landing pages, opt-in forms, and email campaigns, you can collect email addresses from your website visitors and communicate directly with them. And by promoting relevant affiliate products or your own products or services, you can increase conversions and drive sales to boost your revenue. To wrap up, let's go over the key takeaways from this video. Building an email list is crucial for any online business because it allows you to communicate directly with your audience and increase sales. ClickFunnels is a powerful marketing tool that makes it easy to build and manage an email list. To build an email list using ClickFunnels, you need to create a landing page, an opt-in form, and promote your landing page to drive traffic. To promote affiliate products or your own products or services to your email list, you need to be strategic and only promote products or services that are relevant to your audience. It's important to be honest and transparent when promoting affiliate products or your own products or services. By following these steps and utilizing ClickFunnels email marketing tools, you can effectively build an email list and promote affiliate products or your own products or services to your subscribers. We hope this video has been helpful and you can start building your email list today. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.